Hey guys, Justin here with J Hart Model Works, coming to you with another shop card shout out. The shop card shout out today is coming to us from Cliff over at GI Mechanic Scale Modeling. Great card from Cliff, some awesome words from the back. I appreciate it. However, I'm very sorry. I've had this one for quite a while. I think I've had it probably a month or so, and I'm just not getting to it. So I apologize for being late to the party with bringing the shop card shout out. It is what it is. ADD gets the best of me. I kind of set it to the side. Once it's out of sight, it's out of mind. But I'm sorry, man. Cliff is a great guy. He's an awesome member of the community. Does some great builds, some fantastic stuff. Really, really unique stuff too. Some real creative, sometimes kind of kit bashing and stuff like that. He also does a lot of live streaming. Sometimes it's model building. Sometimes it's just him and a bunch of guys from the community who are also gamers getting on and, playing video games, stuff like that. Definitely some good stuff to check out. If you are not a subscriber to Cliff, head on over to GI Mechanic Scale Modeling. Give him a check out. Give him a subscribe, It's currently early February 2022. I'm saying that because right now Cliff has a motorcycle group build going on. So those of you who are into bikes might want to head on over there, check him out, see about getting in on that group build. That may be something y'all are into, But absolutely give him a check out. Great stuff. Again, a great builder, great guy, really, really great guy. Probably going to post this up Monday or Tuesday. And as far as the truck build goes, I may not have a video out Saturday. I try to put a video out every week, but it's been like in the teens and 20s, and there's still ice out in front. It warmed up yesterday. It got into, I think, the 40s. I think it's supposed to hit the 50s today, but it's Monday today. By now, usually during the week, I've already gotten the build part of my week done, and I'm editing video. I don't even have primer on parts yet for the interior video, so may happen this weekend, but I ain't holding my breath. I would suggest you not hold your breath either. It may be another week before I get the next update video. In the meantime, while you're waiting, go check out Cliff over at GI Mechanic Scale Modeling. Check him out. There will be a link. Actually, I think the link will go up over there. It'll always be down in the description. You know me, I put all sorts of stuff in the description down there. Give him a check out. Keep modeling, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.